guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today we're doing the third part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, Sloth. So Sloth is being extremely tired and lazy, so I portrayed it as I've been sleeping for like 25 years and the bugs kind of like took over my body because I've been sleeping for so long, if that makes any sense. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get on to the video. Sloth can be defined in several different ways, but the most commonly defined would be the lack of doing something because of laziness, or the lack of work ethic due to boredom. So I chose to be sleeping for several years because of boredom, and then the bugs infested me. I start off with my normal foundation routine. I fill in my brows with an eyebrow pencil. And then I use a brow pomade just to have the eyebrows hair look very uneven and disheveled like I've been sleeping. And then going in with a concealer underneath just to sharpen that up. Going in with a liquid eyeshadow shade in the color blue, which is most commonly associated with Sloth, and then I blend that out with a fluffy brush. I'm not too worried about it being very flawless. I'm tapping the brush and dragging it to create this very hazy, messy makeup look, like I've been sleeping in it for a while. Now I'm going in with a darker blue shadow just in the crease, just to add some definition to the look. I'm even taking that blue shade and dragging it down my lower lash line just to give that disheveled look. Now going in with a blue sparkling shade on the lid and dragging that down as well. And I'm just taking those brushes that I used before just to dishevel the look even further and getting it that right, perfect, messy look. Going in with a purple shade right in the bags of the eyes just to create that more tired look. Moving on to mascara as well as fake lashes. I'm taking some individual lashes and I'm applying those to the lower lash line. Now I'm taking a contour shade and just contouring my face underneath my cheekbone, my temple, as well as my jaw. As well as adding some contour to the sides of my nose. then adding blush to the apples of my cheek as well as the bridge of my nose. Taking a light cream shade, I'm creating spiders around my body, just so it looks like they're underneath the skin. I add them to around my body just to add some different textures because I'm going to add some black spiders on top of the skin. Now I'm going in with some brown shades, and I'm just contouring one side of the spider so it looks like it's more underneath the skin than on top of it. Now I'm going in with some black face paint and I'm just creating some spiders throughout my body. I try to keep them majorly to some like orifices where they could crawl out just so it has that creepier effect. I'm taking a white face paint just to highlight them so they look more 3D. I'm taking a red lipstick and I'm applying that to the center of the lip, and then I go in with a fluffy brush just to blend it out. And then I apply gloss over top of that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me. All my other social media links will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!